And we know it. Did you feel it? Did you feel that movement? You know, I did a lot of praying to God. I've been praying to God every day, all day. And I said to him, you make this victory come whatever way you want. If it comes decisive on election day, then bring it to us that way. If we have to fight through the BS and the garbage, then we will fight through the BS and the garbage. But how do you get fair and free elections? You have to fight and win to make them fair and free. And we needed another stark reminder that we have incompetent people running the show in Arizona. Who is ready for a change? We had great patriots around this state show up today. It was so amazing. They showed up at the polls early this morning only to be told the election equipment didn't work. 2 minutes into voting, we had people being told, well, you're going to have to put your little ballot over here into another box. Guys, the fake media back there tried to tell us we were wrong for asking questions about our elections. Guess what? We are going to win this. We are going to win this. How many of you remember a couple months ago, August 2nd, the primary election? Wasn't that long ago. We came out and they said, oh, wow, they're 10 points down. The fake news was asking us to concede. And we kept climbing. We turned 15 points around and we won by 5 points. I just want you to know it's early. It's very early, and if we have to take this fight through, we will. If it takes hours or days, we will. But the great news is every single drop of election ballots that have come in the last 3 drops have shown us up 85%, 87%, 81%.
All right, Kari Lake up there telling and reassuring her supporters that she will see it through. She expects to win. I would say fairly that she pulled up short of saying, and if I don't win, there's a problem. I don't think it was that kind of invitation to drama, which is a good thing because it's the most important thing. That these elections, hey, if they're real problems, believe me, we here at NewsNation will be first to dig into them very deeply and completely until they are resolved, because that's the job. The job is not to speculate on things being bad without cause. We only know what we can show. And thus far tonight, this has been a night for celebration for this country. The democracy is working the way it is supposed to. It is not perfect. Nothing that has a human hand involved in it ever will be, but better than expected. Now, hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of NewsNation's fact-driven coverage.